To connect Kahoot with EventsX, you will first need to log into your account. Once logged in, you will need to go to the business that you wish to integrate Kahoot with. Once you're in the business profile, you will then need to go to the Integrations tab. And from the Integrations tab, find Kahoot and click the Install button. You have now installed Kahoot with EventsX, and you will be able to enable it from your event. If you click on a up and coming event, within your event dashboard, you will then need to go to Areas, click on Gamify, and enable Kahoot. And then you have successfully enabled Kahoot with your event.